Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to hide your Facebook online status for privacy in 2023. Sometimes you may not want people seeing when you're active on Facebook, and this tutorial will teach you how to prevent that. Let's start by opening the Facebook app on your Android phone. Look for the Facebook app with the big blue F logo on your home screen or app drawer, and tap to open it. Once you log into Facebook, tap the three little lines in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Scroll down the page until you see Privacy Settings. Tap on that. On the Privacy Settings page, look for Active Status and tap it. This will show you the option Show when you're active. Flip the switch next to it to Off so that it's no longer showing your online status. With the switch turned off, no one will be able to see when you open the Facebook app or start using the platform. Your last seen and active status will now remain private. Hiding your online updates gives you more control over your visibility and interactions on Facebook. You can still enjoy the app and connect with others without announcing your every login or tap. Some people prefer more privacy for their comings and goings, while others don't mind more transparency. Use the tools provided to customize your experience to exactly what you want. Don't hesitate to adjust settings like notification preferences, profile visibility, or active status again in the future if your privacy needs change. I hope this helps bring you more peace of mind in your Facebook use. Please let me know if you have any other questions or want additional tips for managing your profile. I'm here to help in any way I can. Thanks for watching. Subscription and feedback are always appreciated. Please share thoughts on how I can improve future explanations.